I've got a couple tips to save on auto insurance. First and foremost, you want to make sure that you're avoiding accidents, avoiding speeding tickets. Those are the biggest things, right? We want to make sure that you've got a clean driving record. Above and beyond that, having higher limits of liability, carriers like to see that. Let's say, for example, you're looking to switch your auto insurance carrier from one carrier to another. They want to know that you had prior high limits of liability because insurance carriers want to take you on as a risk if you had higher limits of liability in the past. Also, if you've got children that are under the age of 24 and they're full-time students, keeping a 3.0 GPA or above is a great idea. That's going to save you a lot of money with most carriers when it comes to auto insurance. And the last thing is carrier loyalty. They want to see that you have a track record of sticking with a carrier for a certain amount of time. So if they know that you're reshopping your coverage every 6 or 12 months and you're bouncing around, they're less likely to give you a better rate because they don't want to spend the administrative costs and the other things that are involved with onboarding a new auto insurance client. So that carrier loyalty, a lot of people don't understand that sticking with a carrier for 3 to 5 years is a great way to save money on your auto insurance, because if you're constantly bumping around, every carrier is going to give you a higher rate. To kind of sum that up, we're looking at clean driving records, 3.0 GPAs if you're a full-time student under the age of 24, and then carrier loyalty. Not reshopping your policy every 6 to 12 months and looking to switch from carrier to carrier is going to make you a more desirable client for the carrier to bring you on as an auto insurance client. When it comes to auto insurance, also having a high credit score. So pay off your debt, or keeping your debt as limited as possible, making sure that you've got a good credit score is going to make you a more desirable auto insurance client as well. Most auto insurance carriers do what's called a soft pull on your credit. It's not a hard pull, but it's called a credit-based insurance score. They do want to make sure that anyone that they're bringing on as an auto insurance client has a good credit score, because they want to make sure that you'll pay your insurance premiums on a monthly basis and they don't spend the administrative costs to try and track down late payments.